The Chief Executive Officer of the Swaziland Football Association, Frederick Mgometulu, says that the ongoing goalkeeper course of the goalkeeper coaches will improve the standard of goalkeepers in local football. Mgometulu was speaking during the official opening of the courses at Lubamba Technical Center.
As the standard of football in the country keeps improving, all credits go to the Football Association that ensures improvement of the game. In this way, the Swaziland Football Association, in conjunction with FIFA, are currently training 30 goalkeepers coaches. The Chief Executive Officer of the Swaziland Football Association, Frederick Mgometulu, details more.
Basically, it's a FIFA goalkeeping course, advanced course, that will be here for 5 days. Under the instruction of Mr. Alejandro Heredia, Argentinian national, currently residing in South Africa, who's been sent by FIFA as an expert to train our goalkeeper trainers. Goalkeeper training is one thing that has been lagging behind for some time now when it comes to the training of players in a football club. So the Football Association have seen it fit that we now have to take seriously the training of goalkeepers, because on a bad day you find that goalkeepers do play a major role to save the club from any blushes of losses.
Etienne Masoye, who is one of the local goalkeeper coaches, explained how this training will help them.
From the knowledge we are going to get from the course here, I think we just have to implement it straight away to the team, to my goalkeepers, so that to be better. When you come to school, you come to learn something and then to implement it like practice, and then to develop better skills, better introduction in terms of goalkeeping practically. I think it's very, very important to be here, and I think you will see it in the field how different it will be.
The gathered coaches are from the Premier League clubs, National First Division and Regional Football Association. For Swazi TV Sports, Fabrice